Welcome to rural Odisha, India. In the small village, life moves slowly and naturally. Here, cooking is not done with gas or electricity. Instead, people still use the traditional wood fire stove. Today, we will see how simple rice is cooked use a handmade village stove. This is not just a cooking. This is a tradition, simplicity, and the real village life. This is a traditional wood fire stove. It is made using the bricks and kiln. Firewood is placed inside the small opening. Every morning, dry wood pieces are collected and kept ready. The small wood pieces help the fire burn steadily. There is no switch, no gas, only wood, fire, and patience. Before placing the pot on the stove, something interesting is done. The outside of the aluminum pot is covered with a thin layer of mud. Why? Because when cooking on a wood fire, black smoke sticks on the pot. The mud layer prevents heavy black stain and make the cleaning much easier. This is a simple village techniques passed down for generation. Now the pot is placed carefully on the stove. Water is poured inside slowly as the fire burns stronger. Once the water is boiling, raw rice is added into the pot. The rice cooks slowly over the open flame. There is no timer. The rice is checked by experience. From time to time, the lid is opened to see how soft the rice has become. Steam rises into the air, carrying the simple aroma of the freshly cooked rice. When the rice is fully cooked, the pot is removed carefully from the fire. The extra water strained out gently. The method keeps the rice Now the rice is ready, simple, fresh, natural. This is everyday life is rural Odisha. This is the real India, unfiltered and authentic. Thank you for watching.